On February 16, 2019, React version 16.8 was released publicly, introducing React hooks, which was game-changing for React developers and beginners. It comes with the hooks like useState, useEffect, useContext, useReducer, useCallback, useMemo, and useRef. Later on in the future updates, React also improved some existing hooks and introduced some new hooks as well. On March 29, 2022, React version 18 was released. So many developers use hooks with functional components rather than class components. When we use class components in React, we have to know the concept of class in JavaScript. But functional components are much easier compared to the class components. Hooks helps to write less coding functionality in React. React version 18 provides 15 hooks for developers. With these 15 hooks, you can achieve similar functionality to a class-based component. It includes useCallback, useContext, useEffect, useID, useMemo, and so on. Do you know that you can also check out all the hooks in React with the console.log method in JavaScript? You just have to import the React module and just log in the console.